You know what time it is. Time where we bring it back to nutrition. I give you the recipe of the day. We are making something amazing today and for the kids as well. I'm going to include the little guys today. We're making our high protein pancake muffins, of course. These are loaded with fiber, protein, potassium, antioxidants, vitamins. They're super convenient. You make them in advance and you grab them and go. So let's do it. You're going to start off preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Have a cupcake muffin tray kind of thing as well. Hit it with some olive oil spray or whatever you use so the muffins don't stick. We're also going to be using a Cuisinart mixer. That's the big one. We love it. Use whatever mixer you like. So you're going to get out your mixing bowl. You're going to add 1 cup of glyphosate-free rolled oats. You're going to add 2 bananas. You're going to add 3 whole eggs. We're going to use half a cup CHOBANI non-fat Greek yogurt. If you follow our stuff, we use it all the time. It's just an excellent thing to keep in the house. That's what we do. We're going to add half a cup of King Arthur gluten-free pancake mix. This is also delicious. It has great ingredients. You can obviously make pancakes out of this stuff too. They're really good. We're going to sprinkle in some Good and Gather triple berry blend. This is a bag of frozen berries. This is where the antioxidants come into play. These are delicious. We usually just keep these in the freezer all the time. The wife makes smoothies out of those, and the kids love that too. We're going to add a scoop of protein powder in there as well. But we're going to change it up this week a little bit. We're actually going to use a certified organic vanilla TRUVANI this week, which is a plant-based protein powder. I don't know about your kids and how they are about eating protein, but I sometimes want to get some more protein in my son's diet. This is a great, healthy, delicious way to do it. A scoop of this stuff and we got him building those biceps early. We're going to mix it up in our KitchenAid mixer until it's a beautiful pancake battery consistency. You're going to pour that beautiful mix into your muffin pans, optional add-on. Not sure how strict of a parent you might be. I'm not, so we're going to add some chocolate chips to the mix as well. Not too much, but come on, guys. Let the kids have some fun. Throw a couple of chocolate chips in there. And also, if you want to opt for a healthier chocolate chip, Lily's is great. That's the one we've been using. It's half the sugar, but it still has a really delicious taste. All right, so we're going to pop that in the oven now. It should be at 350 degrees set. Like every other muffin you've ever made in your life, you're going to want to use the toothpick method. That's how you're going to know if it's done. Watch for them to rise, which they will. And I would say at the 15 to 20 minute mark, you pull the muffins out, you put the little toothpick in, and if it comes out clean, that muffin's ready. If it's still sticky with batter, that muffin ain't ready. So you put it back in. As soon as that's a clean toothpick, your muffins are good to go. All right, you've made a muffin before, so I'm sure you'll be fine. There you go, guys. These are really, really delicious. Make a bunch at once. It's a lot of protein. It's a lot of deliciousness. I got the macros in the show notes. I think it's like 20 grams of protein for a couple hundred calories. It's worth it. It's great. I think you're going to love it as much as I do. I hope you do. Let me know in the comments if you try it.